I live and learned.
You live and you learn. Well, actually, no, you
Oh,
die
thank you,
and
bro.
you
Thank you,
learn.
bro. You
You're
just saved my
welcome.
life.
That was on purpose.
Thank you. You're so skilled at this video game. Gamer's got a game. Dang it. Get away from me. Oh, sorry.
Oh, come on, bro.
Sorry.
What is that? It's happening. It's happening. It's actually happening. My eyes are bleeding. They did. So they question.
Bro, I did not hear what
Did
you
you
just
like
said. It
touch?
was all robotic. Okay, wait, watch this. I'm gonna do. I don't know how to spell. You see it?
Okay, yeah, I'm leaving. Let's go call Jake now.
Let's go call Jake, bro.
Last word.
Bro, that's
Dang,
overkill.
that's
That's
crazy.
overkill. That's
Yeah.
overkill. Huh? Oh, interesting.
Alright, Popstar, you and me just determine who's better. Come on, Popstar, you got this. Oh, you did it. Okay, now let's play a different game. Oh, you're...
Okay, so what?
Last
word. Sorry, bro. I had to get the last word.
You didn't say the last word, though.
I did.
You didn't say last word, so...
Yeah, I did. They're trying to gaslight me.
Technically speaking, you already have many holes.